and welcome to Farm Prefect, a YouTube channel that highlights profitable agribusiness ideas. Check out my other videos and you will learn a lot. Today, I want to share with you what I have been up to for some few days now. I'm going into beekeeping, and I want to share that journey with you. And this is my first bee hive that I have made myself from scratch. You can also do it. So the length here is 15 centimeters, and then the side here is 10 centimeters. So you need 2 of the 10 centimeters, 2 of the 15 centimeters, plus additional one, which is the bottom. You see, I'll show you the bottom in a jiffy. Okay, here's the bottom like this. So the bottom is covered. Now, this is how the inside of the bee hive looks like. It is hollow. All right. Now here is the point. It is hollow, and then here, this place have been opened, but there are some nails, 1-inch nails, which have been nailed inside. This is to serve as opening for the bees to enter the hive when it is set up for them. All right. So then we have these bars that we have cut to fit the top so that the top can be covered. And then in the bars, we have created some line with a saw to serve as an anchor for the bees. So get it right, the bees will be making honey on these bars. So when it is time for us to harvest, it will be easier for us to harvest. We'll just lift the bars and then we'll harvest our honey. So we place it on it like this, like this, like this, like this. So it's closed up. Okay, this way, this way, this way, then it is closed. So I'll show you how the top looks like in a jiffy, so you can see it. So this is how the top looks like, okay, when covered. All right, so when it is time for us to harvest, we wouldn't have to do much. We just lift each of these bars. So as you can see, each of these bars have some straight line or holes inside to serve as anchor for the bees to make the comb on it, which contains their honey. Okay, yeah, so like that. So when it is time for us to harvest, probably in 5 to 6 months time after they have colonized it, we'll just have to lift the bars and then we do justice to it. Yeah, okay, like that. So that is how it looks like. And then let me show you the entrance. Okay, so there is the entrance. This is the entrance. This is how it looks like. So the bees will be entering from here. The reason why we have nailed inside is to prevent other things from having access to the hive. Okay, yeah. So when we place this hive in the bush, we will have to protect it from rodent and other pests. Yeah, so that is how the hive looks like. Okay, now the size may depend on what you want to achieve, but for us, we do not want to burden the bees too much. When the hive is very big, it takes a long time for them to be able to work and produce the honey that we need. So this hive is quite medium, and we believe that within a short while they can feel it. Yes, so that is it.